Good morning. In this video we will do English sunbeams. So today we will do the exercise of lesson 6, the lost chicken. Let's start. Tick the correct answer in each. First one is, how is Smiley different from Spotty and Sweetie? My dear kids, Smiley, Spotty और Sweetie से किस तरह से अलग थी? Yes. He is big? No. He is quick? No. He wants to go and see the outside world. वे बाहर जाकर बाहर की दुनिया देखना चाहती थी. So tick option C. Next one is, why does Smiley like the outside world? Smiley को बाहर की दुनिया क्यों पसंद थी? Let's see. The air is dirty. There are many pupils. The air is so fresh and there is so much to see. स्माइली को बाहर की दुनिया क्यों पसंद थी? क्योंकि बाहर की हवा बहुत फ्रेश थी और वहाँ पर बहुत कुछ देखने को था. सो टिक ऑप्शन सी लाइक दिस. नेक्स्ट इज, हु कैरीज स्माइली होम? अ माउस, अ मैन, मदर हैन. स्माइली को घर वापस लेकर कौन आया था? यस, अ मैन. सो टिक ऑप्शन बी. नाउ fill in the blanks correctly. Fill in the blanks correctly. Hen has dash dash. Kids, hens की क्या थे? Yes, 3 chickens. So in first dash you have to write here 3, THREE. In second dash you have to write here chickens, CHICKENS, chickens. The 3 chickens sleep dash her dash at dash. In first dash you have to write under, UNDER, under. In second dash you have to write wings, WINGS, wings. In third dash you have to write night, NIGHT, night. They dashed in the dash during the dash. So in first dash you have to write HOP, hop. In second dash you have to write garden, GARDEN, garden. In third dash you have to write day, DAY, day. Now next, match the name to its correct description. Let's start matching. First one is Smiley. Smiley, match Smiley with naughty. Next one is Sweetie. Sweetie का नेचर कैसा था? Yes, obedient. Mouse. Mouse कैसा था? Yes, rude. Horse. Horse कैसा था? Yes, kind. So match horse with kind. Mother hen. Mother hen कैसी थी? Yes, loving. So match mother hen with loving. So do all the exercises very neatly. Now come to the notebook work. First of all, you have to write here today's date, 17/8/2021. Lesson number 6, the lost chicken. Words meaning. First one is hop. Hop means jump, means कूदना. Obedient. Yes, obedient means dutiful, means कहना मानने वाला. Street. Street means road. Hungry. Hungry means starved, means भूखा. Politely means gently, रहमदिल. Rudely means harshly. Tired means exhausted, बहुत थका हुआ. Scared, afraid means डरा हुआ. Surprised, amazed means हैरान हो जाना. Now we will do the question answers. Your first question is, what is the name of 3 chickens? 3 chickens के क्या names थे? Let's see. The names of the 3 chickens are Sweetie, Spotty and Smiley. Question number 2, whom does the Smiley meet in the outside world? बाहर की दुनिया में Smiley किस किस से मिला था? Let's see. Smiley meets a horse, a mouse and a man in the outside world. Smiley एक horse, man और mouse से मिला था. Question number 3, why does Smiley want to go back home? Smiley घर वापस जाना क्यों चाहता था? Let's see the answer. Smiley wants to go back home because He is tired and hungry and it is getting dark too. स्माइली बहुत थक गया था और वे बहुत भूखा था और बहुत रात भी हो चुकी थी, इसलिए वो घर जाना चाहता था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, वाई डू यू थिंक स्माइली वॉक्स आउट ऑफ द हाउस विदाउट आस्किंग हिज मदर? स्माइली अपनी मम्मा को बिना बताए घर से बाहर जाना क्यों चाहता था? लेट्स सी द आंसर। स्माइली वॉक्स आउट ऑफ द हाउस विदाउट आस्किंग हिज मदर बिकॉज he wants to see the outside world. स्माइली को बाहर की दुनिया देखनी थी, इसलिए स्माइली घर से बाहर अपनी मम्मा को बिना बताए घर से बाहर जाना चाहता था। So my dear kids, you have to do all the work very neatly. Have a great day. Bye bye.